Sharon from Mingla Manly Campus Regular Level 3 class.
မင်္ဂလာမန္တလေး campus regular level 3 အတန်းမှတားငယ်သမီးငယ်လေးများအားစင်မြင့်ထက်သို့ဖိတ်ခေါ်အပ်ပါတယ်ရှင် Hello
Hello, I'm Quinn. My name is Yoon. I'm 7 years old. Hello, I'm Thomas. My name is Thomas. I'm 7 years old. Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm 8 years old. Hello, my name is Alice. I am 16 years old. Hello, I am 8 years old. Hello everyone, I am Lucas. I am 7 years old. We are level 3 students from High St. India, Mingla Manali campus. Yeah. Guess my favorite animal. It's got 4 legs. It's got a tail. It's current. It's brown. It's begin with letter D. What is? It's dog. Yes, it is. My favorite animal. He has 2 legs. Yes, my favorite animal. He has 2 legs and he has 2 wings. He is colorful. He is a worm and seaweed begin with letter T. What is this? It's parrot. Yes, you correct.